I'm Michael here at one of Printful's production facilities, and I'm here to break down Printful's fulfillment order statuses, what each of them means, and how your product orders can go from this to this. Let's start. If you run a print-on-demand store, it's crucial to understand Printful's order statuses and manage your orders properly for a smooth fulfillment process. Printful's print-on-demand fulfillment is calculated in business days, and production for all customization techniques takes 2 to 5 business days. Fulfillment time doesn't include shipping. To understand how long an order will take to get to your customer, combine the estimated fulfillment time with the estimated shipping time. You can find estimated shipping times on our shipping page. I'll leave a link in the description below. To stay informed about your customers' orders, you can check the status of each one through your Printful account under the Orders section. Let's take a look at the order statuses you'll find on this page. Waiting for fulfillment. You'll see this status whenever a new order gets submitted from your online store and received at Printful. It means we got your order and it's waiting in the queue for fulfillment. At this moment, no action is necessary from your side. It's still possible to adjust the order at this stage. Printful fulfills orders from your e-commerce store once you pay for them. So make sure your billing settings are updated with your payment information so order fulfillment can start automatically. Once the fulfillment process has begun, the order status will display being fulfilled. The order goes through picking, customization, our 3-step quality check, sorting, and packing, just like you see here. Fulfilled. You'll see the status when the order is ready to be shipped out. On the orders page of your Printful account, click the product order to check the estimated delivery dates, as well as shipment and tracking numbers. Click here to view the orders tracking page. You can set shipment alerts in your notification settings to receive alerts via email, dashboard, and app. Your Printful order will change from fulfilled to delivered once your order has been delivered to your customer. Now that we've covered the main order fulfillment statuses, let's take a look at additional ones you should know of. Orders that appear as drafts are the ones that you've started to submit manually but haven't completed. These orders won't be pushed to fulfillment until you confirm the order here and enter shipping and payment details. Pending payment. This means Printful is waiting to process your payment to begin the production process. Your orders will stay on hold until Printful receives your payment. Out of stock is the status we give to already placed orders containing products that are currently out of stock. Once these blank items are back, these orders will resume production. Needs approval. Your order was imported to Printful, but needs to be manually confirmed for one of 2 reasons. Product was in sync when the order was submitted. Click Complete Order and sync the product to finish submitting the order. At the time of the order, the setting Manually Confirm Imported Orders was enabled. Order import settings can be managed in your dashboard under Settings, Store, Orders. Here you can switch your settings to automatically confirm orders to be fulfilled from manually confirm imported orders. On hold. When you see this status, we've put your order on hold and need to contact you. This happens for potential issues regarding graphics, shipping details, or other matters. Always check the hold notes for details on what we need from you to get your order back on track. You can always contact Printful's customer support if you have any questions about a specific order. Problem reports. You'll see the status when you report a problem with an order within 30 days of delivery or an estimated delivery date. To submit a claim, open the order from the Printful dashboard and click on the Report Problem button on the order window. Printful's customer support team will assist you and your request promptly. Failed. Your order was imported as a draft because payment couldn't be processed. You and your order will show you why the payment has failed and let you know if you need to contact us or ask your bank for help to resolve the issue. Find out more about failed orders on our FAQ page, which I'll link below. The canceled label applies to orders canceled from your account before fulfillment starts. You can click Copy Order to resubmit a matching order. Returned. The status indicates that an order has been returned to Printful's facility due to a claim. Check the returns notes to confirm the reason. To learn more, read Printful's return policies. I'll leave a link in the description below. Make sure to specify the 2 to 5 business days fulfillment speed in your product's description to manage your customers' expectations. Have questions about your store orders? Comment below or reach out to our customer support team at support@printful.com.